How na dey my people? You know say I no dey promise and fail una. As I say for my last video say I go tell una wetin be crypto bear market. So for today video I go tell una wetin be crypto bear market. All of una know say crypto market na decentralized place where you fit dey buy, where you fit dey sell and where you fit dey exchange crypto between one coin to the other. And the second thing wey dey be say crypto dey very volatile, as e be say na something wey no dey stable, because you fit make money today and you fit lose the money tomorrow, especially if you come dey for bear market. So for today video we go dey talk about wetin be crypto bear market and how you fit survive am. But before we begin, I wan welcome all of una to CryptoPidgin channel, the channel wey we go dey talk about crypto in pidgin English and everything wey concern am. If you never subscribe, I beg God beg you try to subscribe so that if you drop any video you go dey among people wey go know sharp sharp. Now wey you don do so, oya make we start wetin carry us come today's video. So wetin be crypto bear market? Crypto bear market na when the crypto market dey go down, meaning say e dey decrease in value, and when the market price don reduce like 50% from where e dey before. And this decrease wey we dey talk about no be something wey go happen once, e go dey reduce or decrease in price small small for a small long time. But the question wey we go ask na wetin dey cause this crypto bear market? So wetin dey cause am dey plenty, but we go talk small wey be say plenty time na fear, as investors go dey comot their money from crypto market. The other one na people wey dey talk bad about crypto, wey go dey discourage other people make dem no buy or invest on. Another one na economy recession, natural disaster ma dey too, pandemic and war dey too. And again, when people wey no get job come plenty, wey we dey call unemployment too, e dey affect crypto. And political instability ma dey too. All these things contribute wey make crypto market dey reduce value for market. As we still dey talk about crypto bear market don happen for crypto space like 3 times now. First time na around 2011 to 2012, and the second one na around 2014-2016, and the third one na around 2018 to 2022. But the truth be say after bear market na bull market go follow, and for bull market na where we go take make all the money wey we lose for bear market. So anytime wey bear market dey, make we just relax our mind say bull market go follow immediately after the bear market finish. So for this video we talk about 6 things wey you fit dey do for bear market. Number 1 be say no too put money wey you no fit lose, as market no too good that time, if not sapa go catch you. Number 2, no go borrow money, no go collect loan come put for crypto market during bear market, if not oyo na your case. Number 3 be say if you just dey start crypto, I go advise make you no start, cause for this time even people wey sabi dey lose money, come talk of few wey just dey start. Number 4, do research wella before you put any money for any crypto project, no matter how the money takes small. Now why you need to join our telegram group? Because for our telegram group we go talk about the project wey you fit buy wey go make you money. Number 5 be say if you make small money, comot am before the market go collect am from you, because for bear market money wey you go make no dey stable. So if you make small money, just comot am, withdraw am from your account, so that once the market dey bad again you no go feel am. Number 6, get another place where money dey comot for you. No come depend on crypto market, if not as you go dey try to make money you go dey lose the money join too, and the hard thing go dey pain you. So just make sure say you get another place where you dey make money from, you get another business where money dey comot for you. Last wetin go make you a good trader na when you survive the bear market. Anybody wey survive the bear market fit call himself a crypto trader, not just a crypto trader, a good crypto trader, because during this time money wey people dey lose, if you fit survive am, or if you lose money wey you fit stand, na then we go know say you might be good trader too. Na all we have for you be that. No forget to join our telegram group where we go dey drop better update. I go drop the video link for the comment section and for the video description too. No forget to like, no forget to share, and if you learn from this video, no forget to comment am again. See you for my next video.